Now, open up your book and carefully listen to the text. Let's recycle on page number 24 and 25.
Let's recycle. Ryan and his friends had been asked to do a skit. They decided to do the skit on recycling. There are 4 recycling boxes for plastic, paper, metal, and glass. Ryan throws a bottle into a plastic dustbin. Plastic. Oh, yes, another one for me. Paper. Plastic. You don't have to tell us every time you get a bottle. Metal. Yes, it is not a competition. We all do our part in cleaning the environment. Glass. Really? Is it not? I thought it was. Plastic. But if this was a competition, I would win. Paper. That's what you think. There is much more paper than plastic. Plastic. Plastic is the most important. Paper. That is not true. Paper is more important. Plastic. No, it's not. Paper. Yes, it is. Metal. Boxes. Please stop arguing. Plastic. Not until paper realizes that plastic is more important. Metal. That doesn't matter. We must recycle. Paper. Yes, what metal says is true. Glass. Metal is right. You all must help keep the environment clean. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes cleanliness. You must always remember to recycle.
The text you just listened to is a play. Plays help us convey facts, ideas, and opinion. Try to read the text yourself now. Let's do an activity. Carry out a role play about the text above. Ask someone in your family for help.